Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate an AI poster. So here, if you can't find it, just expand on your homepage and then select AI poster. Oops. Then you're going to scroll this up. You're going to add in a smart script. You can also add in an advanced script here. I'm just going to select smart script. I'm just going to type new perfume. How do you spell that? New perfume smells sweet. Oops. Like vanilla, and it's sorry. $5. I don't know. Add in a photo for your poster. I'm just going to add this one. You can also manage the size and the marketing, I guess. Okay, it's product display, and then for the category, let's just leave it at beauty and personal care. And I'm just going to select generate. And it's going to generate the AI poster for you, and you can select from the few options that they have. Still loading, I'm guessing. I think it's because my internet's pretty slow, that's why it's still generating. Okay, there we go. They have a few options that you can choose from, and you can just select the one that you like. I am just going to select, let's see, which one do we want? I like this one. I'm just going to select this one, and you can still edit the poster if you'd like to, like the text and stuff, and like the font as well. But I'm just going to press export because I'm pretty happy with it, and it's going to be saved to my device as an image. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!